and thanks for being there, contributing to the Web3 Stronger Together Virtual Summit. Welcome, Alex, Crypto.Page. I'm really glad I met the team in Barcelona. It was a really inspiring discussion, and we knew that we will do something together. Here we are. Welcome, Alex. Now, up to you.
Yeah, thank you, Laurent. Thank you for introduction, and hello, everyone, on that beautiful event. I hope you all enjoy that. So, my name is Alex. I'm a software engineer, and I'm going to present a Crypto.Page project to you today. So, what is a Crypto.Page? It's a decentralized, cross-chain social networks for creators and influencers. So, let's try to understand what's wrong, right? In the current social networks, you actually don't own content which you created. You put a video on YouTube and you don't own it, you don't control it. And current monetization models, like Patreon, they charge so much a fee, and they don't really support crypto. Very important, all of those current centralized social networks, they can censor your content, or they can pessimize you. They make, they would not promote you much. Subscriptions on those current social networks, they cannot be rented or resold. So if I bought a subscription, I cannot, rent it to my friend or just on an open market. And in general, the monetization models, users are not willing to pay for the content. They don't want to. They don't want to really. They don't really want to pay to influencers and creators. And what's happening is that most of monetization happens through the advertising. So here is a Crypto.Page to the rescue, right? So the Crypto.Page is a brand new way to monetize content and bring utility to NFTs. So what is a Crypto.Page? It's a platform to sell subscriptions, sell content, and send different communities access as NFTs. And it's all perfect for like influencers, traders, artists, developers, online models, and everyone who has paid subscriptions or expect to receive tips from their audience. It's not just for individual people; it's also for the groups. For we in some future, the next year, Web3 Stronger Together Summit can go on a Crypto.Page. We can have a translation on a Crypto.Page, and people can be watching on a Crypto.Page and monetize it. And it can be run as a company, as a group. There are huge. We all use social networks. We all do different things on social networks. There are a lot of use cases on how it can be used. Trading signals, courses, premium communities. The platform itself earns a fee when users do some action with the content, and the platform itself runs on a native token page, which is a ERC 2.0 token, and it's like utility token of our system. We do support decentralized ID, we have multi-chain support, and very important, we do have a reputation. So if you are a popular blogger, you build your reputation, and that reputation is soul-bound token on your wallet ID. So your reputation is soul-bound to your wallet, and people can understand your history. Can they trust you or not? So Crypto.Page makes life much easier for creators and DAOs of creators. Gives full control of our monetization. It's maximize engagement because there is a lot of gamification in place, right? It not just supports the textual posts or images, it supports videos and it supports audios, live streams, whatever. It allows leasing subscriptions, leasing content. So really you can write the post and you can just lease it to some popular community and earn from that, right? Rather than keep it on your personal page. We do give a dedicated space, we have dashboards, a lot of functionality, simple content builder. We do support donations or tips. We have detailed tutorials, and quite important, and we'll soon see a video on that, we support private encoded content. So generally, you can create a content which is not available to everyone, and people have to pay to access it. For fans, this is also great. They can, they buy subscriptions, they can go and resell it. They can borrow some other people's subscriptions. There are different and rich social features, private communities, open communities, like moderated communities, unmoderated communities, chat style communities. They can chat with each other through our messaging platform. They can put comments on a content created by everyone. They can put likes, whatever. And they can earn rewards, right? Whatever they do, they are being rewarded. What they do is they are rewarded with a reputation, like they create the post or write a successful comment. Their reputation, they being rewarded with reputation as a soul bonded token, and they do all of that with their crypto wallet. So our kind of most important thing is that we have a better life, and we invite all of you to try it out at app.crypto.page. So generally, it's very simple here. It's very simple to onboard here because your account is actually your wallet. So your wallet is at your private page, and there are communities which is which is a smart contract, and their address is at their page of those communities, and there is a powerful system which allows them to move things between communities, whatever. So I will show you a short video just to make it a little bit faster with regards to the features which we have, and yeah.
Thanks a lot, Alex.
Yep.
Yeah, you can go on.
There is sound. Do you see video?
Yeah, everything is working well.
Okay.
We don't hear the sound of the video, unfortunately, if it's what you were asking.
Okay, so let me explain. Oh, I will talk through that. So imagine that's a Jenny, and she's an influencer, and she wants to put like a post on her page. So she types something, she uploads the image, and here's the image, and then she enables that this should be an encoded video. So she says someone have to pay me money in the page tokens each time when they access it. So that's the post is created as an NFT. Let's give it a second. So transaction is confirmed, the post is placed, and the post is created. So she can decode that post easily, just no money needed because she's owner, and she can access that post. Now, if there is some other person who want to check that post, okay, now we can see this post on the OpenSea. The post is encoded, and no one is able to see it on OpenSea. It's hidden. So now we have another guy. Let's say he's a subscriber of Jenny, and he wants to access this post. You see the post is encrypted for that guy, and he have to really, if he want to access it, he has to press check access. He have to unlock the post. He have to pay, and when the transaction will be completed for the payment, only after that he will be able to see the post content. So we actually bring encodable content to EVM based blockchains. So there are multiple blockchains. It's not just Ethereum or Polygon, whatever. And we allow people to monetize their content through encoding and putting a fee to access that content. And that may be one-time fees, maybe subscriptions, there may be a lot of different features. All right. So again, the point here is that we have a working demo, and again, I'm inviting everyone to try it out. Maybe one more thing for the demo. We also have a kind of interesting thing, a messenger, So here you can see, I have a wallet in that browser. I'm connected. Let me, and I'm exchanging messages with my other browser, like this guy in the Firefox. That's another wallet. You see the addresses are different. So what I do here is that I'm writing Web3 stronger is a cool, fun event. I send this to that guy, right? Now, this one in the Firefox really received the message, but it's encoded. This post is encoded, so no one can even, the post is not stored in a open format, and it's encoded with a key of that receiving party. So he have to press decrypt. He have to confirm the transaction, not the transaction, confirm the message, and it will be decoded. So obviously it will be automated eventually, but for now, we also, in addition to all of that, what I have enumerated, we also have a security messenger. So technology-wise, mostly we talked about most of those things. I will probably underline only that we have a pretty powerful smart contract system, which allows any individuals or DAOs to set up their own rules how monetization, membership, moderation, access happens in their communities, in their pages. So they can say, everyone can see my content. It's paid content. There are moderators and so on. We are multi-chain. We have bridges between multiple chains. We have a DAO to vote on strategic decisions. We have reputation as soulbound tokens. So generally, we believe Crypto.Page is a future of social networks. It combines the power of Web3 with the traditional Web2 models, and taking into account that crypto adoption grows, subscription grows, we expect this to become more and more popular. We do have done a market analysis, so we really actually not just decided that it will be a cool project. We done an extensive market analysis. We analyzed a lot of projects in the social fi sphere. We identified what difference them between successful and not successful, and we corrected our product market fit based on that. Our tests with the focus groups shown that 95% of creators who have heard about Crypto.Page would like to be using that platform to monetize the content, to monetize their social connections. We do have a go-market strategy. So we initially plan to start in Europe and UAE. We're going to, at the start, we're going to pay some influencers and content creators to bring them to our platform with their subscribers. And then eventually we are going to introduce a referral program. So if anyone is interested in long-term to participate in our referral program, let us know. And then eventually we'll go to more and more markets. So here is just a triangle of our business model. Fans and subscribers, they buy content, they upload, download, they do donations, they join streams. Creators actually create public content, create paid content, create subscriptions, they stream. And Crypto.Page actually is responsible for giving reputation to the parties, because it's all reputation driven. Reputation is important, and the ones who are having a good reputation, they will see a lot of fans and so on. And we're charging a small royalty fee for the content, for the money earned on the platform, I would say. That's our tokenomics. As you can see, we are going to have a seed fundraise shortly. Then it will be a private round and public. We're not going to sell a lot of tokens on those rounds. Most of the tokens are reserved and will be used for the platform development and exchanges listing. So contact us if any questions. A few photos of our team, including our leadership and myself. That's our milestones. You can see our milestones. And that's it. Any questions, happy to answer them at our pavilion, at our booth in Pavilion 8. Generally, hope you enjoyed that, and thank you everyone for attention.
Thanks again,
Thank you.
Alex. It's a pleasure. We talked yesterday during a few fire chat about what we still need for being able to expect mass adoption. And we talk also about the lack of tools. You bring a solution. Thank you. Let's keep building and enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you very much.